Hi everyone, here we've got a HTC Desire 21 Pro and let me share with you how to change SIM pin on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings and now let's tap on security. Here we have to tap on advanced and right under it we've got SIM card lock, so let's tap on it. As you can see here we've got the option change SIM pin and obviously we will change SIM pin for the card we've got inserted because remember that you've got two different SIM slots, so of course you will be able to change it also for the second SIM slot. But let me get back here and simply tap on change SIM pin. Right now we have to enter our old SIM pin, so let me do it and tap on OK. And here we have to enter our new SIM pin, so just come up with some numbers and enter it and confirm. So let me enter 4 zeros and tap on OK. Here we have to retype it, so let's do it. And as you can see, the SIM pin has been changed successfully, so from now on, if you will restart your device, then it will require entering new SIM pin. So actually that's all. This is how to change SIM pin in your HTC Desire 21 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.